What's up, Microsoft Sphere crew? Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the tech news that matters. First up, Oracle Corp just pulled off a stunning breakout, its stock skyrocketing and market cap soaring. We're talking billions, folks, and a deal with OpenAI that's got everyone buzzing. Could this be the start of something truly massive in the AI space? We break it all down. Next, we're staying with Oracle, but shifting gears to a high-stakes geopolitical deal. President Trump's executive order has put Oracle right in the middle of the US-China TikTok saga. Find out how Oracle's potential role in managing US user data could reshape the future of the popular app and impact global tech relations. Then, we're heading into the blockchain universe where Tyco, an Ethereum Layer 2 network, is leveling up its DeFi game. They've just named Chainlink Data Streams as their official Oracle. What does this mean for the speed, security, and innovation of decentralized finance applications? We've got the details. And finally, we've got a story that's part nature, part sport, and all about a persistent pest. We're talking about the spotted lanternfly and one individual's unexpected battle against this invasive species. Is it conservation, or is it a game? You'll have to watch to find out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Oracle's billion-dollar bash. Get ready for a tech titan's incredible comeback. Oracle Corp just shattered expectations with a staggering 36% surge in its stock price, marking its most significant daily gain since 1992 and pushing its market cap tantalizingly close to the trillion-dollar mark. This Austin-based giant is making waves in AI, recently unveiling 4 multi-billion-dollar contracts, highlighted by a massive 5-year, $300 billion deal with OpenAI. This incredible day was so lucrative for Oracle that co-founder Larry Ellison even briefly surpassed Elon Musk as the world's richest person. The stock's meteoric rise culminated in a record high of $345.72, a monumental leap from its March 1986 IPO price of $15. While shares have seen a slight pullback to consolidate gains, they still boast an impressive 78% year-to-date increase. Analyzing these massive market moves, senior quantitative analyst Rocky White discovered that stocks experiencing a 10% daily jump and adding over $100 billion in market cap historically show strong long-term returns, despite potential short-term volatility. Data suggests that while the immediate weeks might see a dip, the long-term outlook remains exceptionally bullish, with stocks averaging significant gains and outperforming the S&P 500 over time. This pattern is prompting options traders to consider strategies that capitalize on both short-term consolidation and long-term growth. The market is buzzing with this news, with analysts and investors alike dissecting Oracle's strategic moves and the implications for the broader tech industry. The sheer scale of these contracts and the stock's performance have solidified Oracle's position as a major player in the AI revolution. And that massive market move is just the beginning of our tech deep dive. Next, we're exploring how Oracle is entangled in a high-stakes international deal with major implications for a certain social media giant. Oracle's TikTok tightrope walk. Could Oracle be the key to resolving a major international tech dispute? The company is finding itself at the center of a complex US-China agreement regarding the future of TikTok's operations within the United States. This developing situation, involving extensions for ByteDance to divest U.S. assets and Oracle's potential role in safeguarding American user data, has sparked a mix of cautious optimism and market scrutiny. At the core of this is an executive order that has extended the deadline for ByteDance, TikTok's parent company, to sell its U.S. assets. This latest extension, the fourth, is part of a broader framework aimed at ensuring TikTok's American operations are under U.S. ownership. Oracle is positioned to be a pivotal player, potentially leading a consortium that could acquire a significant stake. The proposed structure involves creating a new US-based entity with majority US investor ownership and a distinct US version of the TikTok app running on a separate data system and algorithm. Crucially, Oracle is expected to manage all US user data from its facilities in Texas, a move designed to address national security concerns that have loomed over the platform. This proposed resolution has been met with a degree of approval from the Chinese government, framing it as a win-win solution to ongoing tensions surrounding the app, which boasts a massive 170 million users in the US-China, has indicated it will review related technology exports and intellectual property licensing. ByteDance would retain a minority stake, with the majority distributed among US investors. Oracle's existing cloud services agreement with TikTok is set to continue, reinforcing its integral role in data management and software updates. The market's reaction has been measured, reflecting the intricate nature of the deal and the potential regulatory hurdles. Analysts are closely watching the operational integration challenges and the ongoing political scrutiny. While this presents a significant growth opportunity for Oracle, it also carries inherent risks associated with international tech policy. From high-stakes global deals to the inner workings of the blockchain, our next story dives into a crucial partnership. Prepare for a deep dive into how Tyco is leveraging Chainlink to supercharge its Layer 2 network. Tyco and Chainlink, powering the future of DeFi. Get ready for a major upgrade in the decentralized finance space. Tyco, a prominent Ethereum Layer 2 network, has officially integrated Chainlink data streams as its go-to Oracle solution. This strategic partnership is set to significantly enhance Tyco's DeFi ecosystem by providing developers with unparalleled access to reliable, high-speed market data. This integration is a game-changer for building sophisticated decentralized applications. With Chainlink as its official Oracle infrastructure, Tyco empowers developers to create everything from complex derivatives platforms to unique token governance models. The ability to access tamper-proof, high-quality data is absolutely essential for the secure and efficient functioning of these advanced on-chain products. Tyco operates as a based rollup, meaning it harnesses Ethereum validators for transaction sequencing, ensuring a robust level of decentralization. Oracles, the secure bridges that feed off-chain information to on-chain smart contracts, are foundational to the blockchain industry, especially for DeFi protocols that rely heavily on real-time price feeds. Tyco's leadership has emphasized that aligning with Chainlink's proven infrastructure is a key step towards attracting institutional crypto investment and fostering the development of real-world applications. This move aligns perfectly with Chainlink's broader mission to bring global data onto the blockchain. This isn't Chainlink's only recent foray into integrating real-world data. Just last week, they partnered with the Sei network to bring official U.S. government economic data onto its blockchain, also targeting institutional and DeFi users. Tyco's integration follows this trend, underscoring the growing demand for dependable off-chain information to fuel the next generation of sophisticated on-chain applications. Chainlink Labs has affirmed that its secure, sub-second market data will be instrumental in driving innovation on the Tyco platform, building on its extensive track record in DeFi and expanding into new frontiers like decentralized AI. Now that we've explored the cutting edge of blockchain technology, prepare for a story that's a little wilder. We're heading from the digital realm to the real world for a unique take on battling an invasive species. The spotted lanternfly gauntlet. What happens when a roadside vendor transforms into an unexpected eco-warrior? This story dives into the surprising, almost sport-like battle against the invasive spotted lanternfly. It's a tale of transformation, from a casual observer to a relentless hunter, all set against the backdrop of a busy farmer's market. The narrator, working at a roadside stand, finds themselves surrounded by hundreds of these pesky, invasive insects. Initially, the sheer number is overwhelming, but a shift occurs. The hunt begins, fueled by the knowledge that these flies threaten local trees, vineyards, and over 100 other plant species. What starts as a chore quickly escalates into a personal challenge, a game of chase and crush, where the satisfaction comes from the explosive, albeit gruesome, end of each spotted lanternfly. The narrator describes the thrill of the chase, the visual of their bright red wings, and the morbid fascination with their demise. This intense focus on eradication takes a turn when a child and her mother approach the stand. In a moment of dark humor, the narrator's internal monologue reveals a new persona, a villainous protector of nature. The story culminates with the narrator leaving the stand, only to return 2 days later to a scene of victory, a graveyard of crushed lanternflies. The dramatic reduction in their numbers leads the narrator to question if an entire population has been decimated, and with a touch of playful intensity, wonders about the score. The narrative explores the psychological shift that can occur when confronted with an environmental threat, blurring the lines between duty, sport, and a primal instinct to conquer. It's a unique perspective on citizen-led conservation efforts, highlighting an individual's surprising dedication to combating an ecological menace. That's all the news we have for you today, but don't go anywhere yet. We've got a lightning round recap and all the ways you can stay connected with Microsoft Sphere. And that's a wrap on today's Tech and Nature Dive. We saw Oracle's massive market surge and its pivotal role in the TikTok deal. We explored Tycho's blockchain upgrade with Chainlink and even got a unique look at battling the spotted lanternfly. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge news, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Share your thoughts in the comments below and follow us on all our social platforms to stay in the loop. We'll see you in the next video.